If you no longer need one of the lines on your T-Mobile account, you can cancel it quickly using the T-Mobile mobile app. Many people remove a line when switching carriers, reducing monthly costs, or transferring a number to another service. The app allows you to manage all your lines, devices, and billing in one place, making the cancellation process simple and fast. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to check whether the line has any active device payments or whether you plan to transfer the phone number to another carrier. Taking care of these things first helps avoid interruptions or unexpected charges. Once everything is ready, you can cancel the line directly from the app in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the T-Mobile app and sign into your account. Step 2. Tap the menu icon and go to Account, then select Lines and Devices. Step 3. Choose the specific line you want to remove from the account. Step 4. Tap Cancel Line or Manage Plan to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Select a reason for cancellation and confirm your choice. Step 6. Complete the request and check the final bill for any remaining charges.